Welcome to episode 20. Here we go. Here we have the first coin of this video. It's a nice cent. Next find is my first medieval find of this video. It's part of a buckle. Late medieval buckle. Probably 13th or 14th century. A couple of minutes back I found a broken medieval buckle. And now I found a complete one. It's quite bigger than the other ones that I found this year. Here's another coin. Check it out at home. And here we have a tiny bead. Real tiny. This bead could be early medieval. And here's the first old coin find. I think it's a Roman coin. And here we have a big part of a brooch. Too bad this one is broken. This is 6th, 7th century. This would have been a nice brooch if it was complete. It's an easy one to pick up. Here he is. Okay, let's check it out at home. Okay, it's time for another giveaway. You can win this beautiful Roman coin from the 2nd century before Christ. Okay, all you have to do is guess how many coins I found last year in 2022. Every coin counts as one. The broken ones, the silver ones that are cut in half, Roman ones, every coin counts as one. Put your answer in the comments down below. And in my next month's video, I'll announce the winner. Here are the silver coins that I found. And to help you a little, I found 44 silver coins last year. Here are the Roman coins from last year. And the better copper coins. Never before I found so many coins in one year. I had a very good year. So, one more time. How many coins did I find last year? All you have to do is put your number down in the comments below and the winner will be announced next month. Good luck! You can win this beautiful silver Roman coin from the 2nd century before Christ. Okay, I've switched to a new field. I found a couple of very nice silver coins here. So, let's hope I'll find one today. First coin of the day. Looks like a readable one. Gonna clean it further at home. Another copper coin. It's a copper coin from Sweden. Never found one like this before. And here we have the first silver coin of this year. I think it's a silver dime. Oh no, it's not silver, it's nickel. Okay, no metal detecting for me. I broke my finger, but I still can go out and look for eyeball finds like beads or other cool things. Is this a bead? Yes! Haha! Oh, this is a nice one. Never found one like this before. And here's the next one. Two old beads, not a bad score. Next day, same field, very tiny one, beautiful color. That's a good begin. Here's a very big bead. Oh, wow. Again, two beads. One big, one small. And here's another bead. This one doesn't look old though, but you never know. Miss a piece. Okay, that ends this video. Didn't find very much this time. Found some nice beads though, but it was bad weather in December and January. And then I broke my finger. So it is what it is. Hope you liked it and hope to see you again next time.